Welcome back, car enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the 2025 Mustang Night Stalker. This special edition Mustang is an exciting new addition to the lineup, delivering that iconic muscle car feel, but with a unique twist aimed at fans who want something bolder and more intense. If you're thinking about stepping into a Mustang with even more attitude and exclusive styling, then you're going to want to check out what the Night Stalker brings to the table. The 2025 Mustang Night Stalker starts turning heads with its daring exterior design. The front end feels like a real statement. It's aggressive and assertive, with sharp lines that add intensity to the overall look. The grille comes in a darker shade, almost shadow-like, perfectly living up to its name. You'll notice the headlights, they're narrow, sleek, and have a uniquely sharp edge, giving off a piercing gaze. Below them, the front bumper has been resculpted, adding more angles and contours to give it a race-inspired edge. Mustang fans are going to love the subtle Night Stalker badging on the grille, a small but powerful touch that makes it clear this isn't just any Mustang. Moving to the side, you'll notice some defining features that set the Night Stalker apart. The body lines are sharper and more pronounced than standard models, giving a stronger sense of motion even when it's parked. The deep, blacked-out trims around the windows and the all-new Night Stalker exclusive alloy wheels add to the overall sense of stealth. This Mustang has been fitted with a slightly lower suspension to give it a meaner, more hunkered-down stance on the road. For those who appreciate attention to detail, there are side skirts and subtle flares around the wheel arches, helping it look even more grounded and aggressive. When you look at this car, you immediately know it's built to perform and built to stand out. At the rear, the Night Stalker carries the same dark, menacing theme. The taillights are slightly tinted, adding a hint of mystery, and the rear bumper has a redesigned diffuser that looks ready to channel serious downforce. Mustang kept the iconic tri-bar taillight design but added a darker shadow look that matches the overall theme. The exhaust tips are quad-styled and finished in black chrome, giving the rear an unmistakable performance-oriented look. There's also a rear spoiler, but it's not too over the top. It's low profile and aerodynamic, a perfect fit for the stealthy character Mustang aimed to achieve here. The whole rear end ties together the Night Stalker's sinister, powerful vibe, finishing off an exterior that's bound to leave a lasting impression. Stepping inside the 2025 Mustang Night Stalker, you're greeted by an interior that's equally thrilling. The cabin feels immersive, with black leather upholstery accented by dark metallic trim and subtle red stitching that adds just the right amount of contrast without breaking the stealthy theme. The steering wheel is a special edition design with the unique Night Stalker logo, giving you a constant reminder that you're in something special. Mustang has also included sport seats that offer deep bolstering, ensuring you're comfortably supported whether you're cruising or putting it through its paces. The seats are heated and ventilated, which is a great touch for year-round comfort. Technology-wise, you're looking at a fully digital gauge cluster that can be customized to show various performance metrics. There's also a large, centrally placed touchscreen that controls everything from navigation to climate. The interface is intuitive, responsive, and clear, making it easy to keep focused on driving. The Mustang has integrated a premium sound system, so you'll get crystal clear audio for those times when you're not just listening to the engine roar. And with ambient lighting, you can tailor the mood of the cabin to match the Night Stalker's vibe. Even the smallest details like the gear shifter and pedals have been given a dark metallic finish, contributing to the unified, stylish interior experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Mustang Night Stalker definitely lives up to the Mustang name. Under the hood, it packs a V8 engine that delivers a heart-pounding horsepower that'll satisfy any muscle car enthusiast. This engine is paired with an advanced transmission, available in both manual and automatic, so you have the freedom to pick the drive experience that suits you best. With an upgraded suspension setup, the Night Stalker offers both stability and agility, letting you push it through corners with confidence. It handles impressively for a muscle car thanks to finely tuned steering that gives you just the right amount of feedback. The brakes have been upgraded as well, ensuring that this beast stops on a dime when you need it to. Overall, the performance package on the Night Stalker provides not only the thrill, but also a balance between power and control that gives you confidence in every turn. The pricing for the 2025 Mustang Night Stalker reflects its exclusive and performance-oriented nature. While it's positioned higher than the standard Mustang GT, you're definitely getting a lot of bang for your buck when you consider the special edition features, the unique design, and the enhanced performance. Mustang has crafted this model for those who want more than just a car, they want an experience. For that reason, the Night Stalker will appeal to those looking to stand out and take pride in owning a vehicle that's both powerful and unique. If you're in the market for a car that combines the raw power of a Mustang with a dark, almost mysterious presence, the 2025 Mustang Night Stalker might just be the car for you. It offers plenty of customization, has a performance setup designed to thrill, and a look that'll turn heads wherever you go. However, It's worth keeping in mind that this car's aggressive design and intense vibe won't be for everyone. If you're looking for something more subtle or laid back, a different Mustang trim might suit you better. But if you're someone who loves the idea of a stealthy, powerful car with exclusive details and unique character, the Night Stalker will definitely live up to expectations. And there you have it, a detailed look at the 2025 Mustang Night Stalker. From its eye-catching exterior to its powerful performance, this car is a true head-turner for anyone who loves a dark, bold twist on a classic muscle car. Whether you're a Mustang fan or just an enthusiast looking for something different, the Night Stalker is a model worth checking out. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into the latest cars hitting the streets. Catch you in the next one.